Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create account on Proton Mail on PC. Proton Mail is a secure encrypted email service that prioritizes privacy. Proton Mail does not track you, offers end-to-end encryption, and is a popular choice for the users who want confidential email communication. And creating an account is free and can be done quickly on a PC browser. You can later upgrade to paid plans for extra features. First, what you can do is open to your browser, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down Proton and enter it. Under here we can find to this Proton Mail. Click onto this Proton Mail. Over here, when you get into this interface of your Proton Mail, select your create a free account. And under this option, what you can do is type down your username, type down your password as well, and also confirm your password and select start using Proton Mail now. Over here, you need to verify with the captcha as well. Simply position where the captcha relates and select next. And over here, select to the small icon here and select continue, and simply type down your display name as well. And after you're done, select continue. And that is it. This is how you can sign up to your Proton Mail on PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.